This is day one, the first experimental washing and testing video with Green Desert Landscaping, where they used their small pumper truck to spray at about 20 pounds per square inch, basically garden hose pressure to get the dirt off. And in this first section, it's just straight fire hydrant water with chlorinated city water, hard water, and they hosed down about half a row to see how that worked out. And after they dried off, they looked a little filmy and not that clean. So the next step we did was the second half of this row. We hosed it first with 50-to-1 poly water solution, then refilled the tank with straight fire hydrant water to rinse it off with. You can see the soap suds there from the poly water solution, and some of the dried film that hadn't been rinsed off yet. So this is a drive down the whole row. The first half of the row was just water only, one shot, and that's it. And I tested these first 5 modules in that condition with film and some bird droppings, and those first 5 modules averaged out to be 96.5% power factor. That is up from the dirty ones you can see in the background that were only 69% power factor. So moving down the row, you'll be able to see the cleaner modules, and I tested those 5 on the opposite end that were sprayed once with poly water, 50-to-1 ratio, and allowed to dry for 10 minutes, and sprayed off with straight fire hydrant water, and they came out pretty good. And the results of the IV curve testing for those 5 modules averaged out to be 99.6% power factor. Again, they were up from 69% power factor. So that's good enough. I believe if they were squeegeed, they would be 100%. So our next step is we're going to test one more time, which is going to be just a good hosing down with 100-to-1 ratio poly water and scrub and squeegee. So we'll have a squeegee brush that has the brush on one side and the squeegee on the other. So it's going to be half the labor because we're going to skip the rinse cycle. And that's going to happen tomorrow morning, and I'll let you know the results.